Richard Larson is proud of his son and has invited everyone in the office to attend the graduation, and Raja is the only one going. One, because he's never been to an American graduation and thinks it will be good for Hari, and two, because he finds Richard Larson hard to say no to. For months, Richard Larson has insisted upon calling him Senator. He has done this since the first day he saw Raja's name on the thin wooden nameplate on his desk, Raja Sen. Now all the other engineers in the office and even Bobby the secretary call Raja Senator. It is a nickname that sticks, that perseveres like a fossil. It is Chitra who states the obvious. Senator, didn't you tell them you're already a king? But Raja says nothing. He's the only Indian in the office, Hari is the only Indian at his school, and Chitra is one of 3 Indians in their house. They are one of 6 Indian families in Casper. She perhaps has it the easiest. The drive is a little less than 2.5 hours, and they have been silent for most of it. Raja Sen thinks his wife is rude to the Larsons, as she had not wanted to come to the graduation. He thinks she is being difficult when it comes to making American friends.